Click on the link below to get price. The Isinwheel electric bike for adults is an impressive blend of functionality and style, designed to cater to modern urban commuting needs. With a robust 500W motor, this bike effortlessly reaches speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, making it a practical choice for those looking to navigate through busy streets or enjoy leisurely rides. The power provided by the motor is both smooth and responsive, allowing for easy acceleration and handling, even on inclines. One of the standout features of this electric bike is its folding capability. The 16-inch frame is compact, making it ideal for city dwellers with limited storage space. The lightweight design allows for easy folding and unfolding, meaning it can be conveniently taken on public transportation or stored in smaller apartments without hassle. This portability factor is a significant advantage for users who need a versatile commuting solution. The bike's battery life is commendable, providing a range that varies depending on rider weight and terrain, but generally around 30 to 40 miles on a full charge. This is more than sufficient for most daily commutes or leisurely rides. The inclusion of a smart LCD display is a thoughtful touch, allowing riders to monitor speed, battery life, and distance traveled, enhancing the overall riding experience. Comfort is not overlooked, either. The Isinwheel features a well-padded seat and adjustable handlebars, catering to users of various heights and preferences. However, the smaller wheel size may not be suitable for rough terrains, as it can make the ride feel less stable on bumpy surfaces. In conclusion, the Isinwheel electric bike is a fantastic option for adults seeking an efficient, portable, and stylish mode of transportation. Its powerful motor, excellent folding design, and user-friendly features make it a valuable investment for anyone looking to embrace the electric biking trend. Whether for commuting or recreational purposes, this bike delivers on multiple fronts, making it a worthy contender in the growing e-bike market.